In this nugget on SI units, we will be looking at the mole.
An international system of units, the SI system, ensures that everyday measurements remain comparable and consistent worldwide. The SI abbreviation comes from the French name Système International d'Unité. Standardizing how mass is measured, for example, ensures that buyers know how much of a product they are buying internationally. Reliable information is important to society to help build trust and allow for informed decisions to be made. For example, when looking at climate change, pollution, or medical information. In the UK, the International System of Base Units are realised at the National Physical Laboratory, the NPL. The SI system covers units for every type of measurement, but at the heart of the SI system is a set of 7 units known as the base units. Everything can be measured in terms of these 7 SI base units.
So how do we define the amount of substance? Well, the base unit for the amount of substance is the mole. The mole is based on a physical constant called the Avogadro number, which has the value of 6.022214076 times 10 to the power 23. 1 mole will therefore contain exactly this number of atoms or molecules, and 1 mole of any element has an almost identical mass to its relative atomic mass. This can be calculated very accurately using mass spectrometers as in the image. But how do we measure the amount of substance? Well, once the basic elementary entity is known, the amount of substance measurement is usually found by taking an accurate measure of mass. Analytical balances can produce very accurate and precise measurements, often down to 5 decimal places. There are certain conventions when writing down SI units. For example, unit names are written in lowercase, except for Celsius. The unit symbol is lowercase, unless the name of the unit is from a person's name, for example ampere from André-Marie Ampère. And a space is left between the numerical value and the unit. In summary, an international system of units ensures that everyday measurements remain comparable worldwide. The base unit for the amount of substance is the mole. Amount of substance is based on the Avogadro number, so 1 mole will contain exactly 6.022214076 times 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules. Accurate measurements of mass can then be used to calculate the exact number of moles present.